Marina Warre for actually creating this, and the rest of the Network Marketing Pro team. So if we can all give them a big round of applause, virtual round of applause, that would be absolutely amazing. The second thing I want to do is I want you to raise your attention and pay attention to what I'm about to share with you, because you literally can finish this summit, you can finish this online experience and go away, implement what I'm about to share with you, and get results fairly quickly. Now, we can't guarantee anything in network marketing, but what I can do is if you put the effort in, the results will come in time. All right? Now, if you want to accelerate those results, listen to absolutely everything Eric and Marina have to tell you. Why? It's no coincidence that the word pro is in the word promote, is in the word produce, and is in the word progress, because that's what they do every single day. These guys are the best in the world in the network marketing space to help you promote your product and service, to help you produce more volume and more leaders in your business, and help you progress in all aspects of your life. These guys are absolutely legendary, and for me, the word generic is Generation Eric. Because without Eric, I would not have been generic coach, speaker, and trainer around the world. So I'm grateful for you, Eric. Thank you. So here we go. What I want to do is I want you to get your left hand free and your right hand free. Don't have anything in it, otherwise it's going to be a little bit dangerous. So put your phone on the side, whatever it might be. Just listen to my voice or watch me right now. Because we are going to send a ripple. We're going to send a shockwave. We're going to send a crazy fireball of energy throughout the entire world from the network marketing professionals right now. So I want you to get your after 3, I'm going to give you the countdown. 1, 2, 3, go. When I say go, I want you to clap as loud and as fast as you can 10 times in a row. If you're ready, say I'm ready, although I can't hear you. You can say it anyway. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, cool. So now I hope you're feeling a little bit more fired up. I hope your energy is high, and I hope you're ready for this. Grab a piece of paper and a pen. Don't forget that a short pencil is always better than a long memory. So here. Hey, Frazer, would you be open to sharing a little segment on the GoPro World Tour online about social media and why people need to use it? I said, yeah, sure. So I hung up on the phone, and we hung up on the phone. We had finished our chat. I went onto a website, trends.google.com, and I made a search for work from home. Now, this website, you can see it on my screen here. This website will help you find the search volume of certain keywords and phrases that people. You can see here. Before the coronavirus, before the troubling times, before all the uncertainty, it's all kind of flat. And then look at what happened. Bang! It shoots up. More people are looking for an alternative way to make income than ever before, right? So I did another search, work from home business, because a lot of people might search work from home jobs. Work from home business, same story. You know, a bit choppy at the bottom, and then bang! Skyrockets. Skyrockets. In fact, it's one of the only things that's skyrocketing right now, with home deliveries and a couple of other services. But network marketing and working from home is now, just overnight, become one of the most coveted, prestigious professions anyone can have. And you're going to see when the dust settles, I'm telling you now from experience, I've been around the industry my entire life, when the markets have uncertainty, when confidence is low, when people think they're going to be going to war or they're going to be losing their jobs, that's when people start to look. When the economy dips, network marketing thrives because people want their control back. Social media is the way how you can work from home. You turn it from a belly-to-belly business to a screen-to-screen business. My belly is here. Your belly is there. There's a screen or a lens in between. That's all the difference is. Now, yes, social media, you are going to need to increase your activity levels by about 10 times. Right? If you speak to one person offline, you're probably going to have to speak to 10 online. If you speak to 100 offline, you're probably going to speak to 1,000 online. But it's fast and it's easy. So how do we do it? So the first up, I've got a script for you. Now, I'm going to say the script, screenshot this script, and send it and share it with the rest of your team. Now, there's power in numbers, guys. The more of us who sends this, number 1, the more energy we're going to get out there. Number 2, the more love and appreciation we're going to get there. And number 3, the more we're going to create this fear of missing out, because when someone receives a similar message from 2, 3, 4, 5 people in a row, they start thinking, like, I'm missing out on something. Who's telling people to send these messages? I want to do it too. And you're going to understand when I'm saying this. Now, this is something that every single one of you can send. You doubt. The more you doubt, the less you do. The less you do, the more you think. There's a cycle. The more you think, the more you doubt, let's do that, let's do. The more you think, the more you think, the more you doubt, let's do, the more you think. It's a vicious cycle. That's why overthinkers don't achieve anything, because they get stuck in their head. So I want you to make sure, I want you to say to me out loud, write it in the comments if you're able to, I'm in, or all in, or let's go pro, right? I want you to write something like that in the comments, because here we go. This is where you start to become an action taker and not an action faker. Getting caught in the scroll hole, becoming a scroll zombie. Don't be doing that. Let's be reaching out, because here's the thing, guys. Action marketing beats attraction marketing, right? Too many of you watching this thinking social media is all about people coming to you. No, you've still got to go out there and prospect people, right? Action marketing is faster than attraction marketing. The word action is in the word attraction. All right, so here's the script, okay? Here's the script. Hey, Mary, or Bob, don't call people who aren't Mary, Mary, please. Hey, Mary, hey, Marina, hey, Eric, hey, Bob, hey, Mary. I know this might sound crazy as we don't know each other, but I'm on a mission to fill social media with love and eliminate fear. So wanted to reach out and see if you and your family are safe during and well in these troubling times. So I'll say it again. Again, you can screenshot it up there. Hey, Mary, I know this might sound crazy as we don't know each other, but I'm on a mission to fill social media with love and eliminate fear. So wanted to reach out and see if you and your family are safe and well in these troubling times. Now, I used this message. We tested this message before a couple of weeks ago with a group that I work with, and we found that the response that people were getting was insane. Thank you so much for that message. Isn't that so nice of you? Actually, my husband just found out he lost his job. It's a little bit stressful at the moment. Actually, I'm not really coping well with having to homeschool my kids. Like, you are getting people telling you their problems because they're not. People, right, listen to this one. People do not share on social media what decreases their status. They only share what increases their status. Hence why people only post the best photo of themselves on social media. Hence why they put filters on. Hence why they do all these crazy things, and they're craving attention, followers, and engagement. If you're going to court, you don't do a video going, hey, everyone, just going to court. I hope I get away with it. I really hope I get away with it. Wish me luck. I'm so proud of myself for going to court. No, no one does that. No one does that. So we need to make sure that because people aren't going to go, oh, I've just lost my job. Anyone can help. Can anyone help me out? No, but they're going to tell you in conversations in the messenger. So send that script. Number 2 is a strategy. Oh, I'm really excited for this one. This is where we really turn up the love and really turn up the profession in network marketing. I'm going to share with you a post that you can do right now, or as soon as this GoPro World Tour finishes, where you can literally do this. Are you ready? I hope you're ready. I really hope you're ready. Because if we all do this, we are going to fill our feed with love and gratitude, and it will knock out all the fear and all the rubbish that's getting put out there. So here we go. I'm going to put it on my screen for you guys to be able to screenshot. I am grateful for blank. I am grateful for blank. What are you grateful for? Question mark. Now, some of you guys might have seen this on social media already because I did this a couple of weeks ago, but it just went absolutely nuts, and the response people were getting was insane. I am grateful for, my one is I am grateful for all my network marketing friends providing love and light to others in need. That's it. You could go, I am grateful for all my friends, for the time I'm spending with my friends and family during these times. What are you grateful for? I am grateful for my work from home income. What are you grateful for? I am grateful for my health. What are you grateful for? I am grateful for all the health professionals. What are you grateful for? People will come out the woodwork and tell you what you are grateful for. You can then have a conversation with them in the messenger. Now, a lot of you guys are going to want to then promote your product and service. Now, I have no problem with you doing that, but you have to seek permission before you get a commission. So you have to say, hey, would you be open? Hey, I'm just curious. Would you be open to checking out some information on a game-changing product I use? No worries if not. I just thought I would ask. Hey, just curious, would you be open to checking out some more information on a way to make money on social media? No worries if not. I just thought I would ask, right? I've only got good at the language and what to say and use because of one guy, Eric Warwick. I read his books. I listen to what he says. I listen to his podcasts. I watch everything he does in the GoPro Academy. I go to his events. Everything that guy says and does will help you succeed. He puts the pro into promote. He puts the pro into produce. He puts the pro into helping you progress. He puts the pro into professional, obviously, too. So here we go. The system. The system. So we've got the script. We've got the strategy. Now we need the system. The system is something that I call FAM. That's find, add, message. I share this all over the world. I've shared it in tons of different countries now. And it's simple. It's how you grow your list and never run out of people to talk to. You find someone on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on TikTok, on MySpace. I don't even know. Everyone was friends with Tom at one point. But you find them, you add them, and then you don't pray to Mr. and Mrs. Universe, oh, please, Mr. and Mrs. Universe, please let Tom see my friend request and then send me a message saying, oh, please help me out. I see you're involved in network marketing. No. You find Tom, you add Tom, and then you message Tom the script that I've just sent you. Hey, Tom, I know we don't know each other. This might be a little bit crazy, but I'm on a mission to fill social media with love and eliminate fear. So I wanted to reach out to see how. I want you to imagine the most beautiful dessert that you could possibly ever think. Maybe it's, I'm a big fan of fruitcake. Maybe it's a fruitcake. Maybe it's a chocolate cake. Maybe it's a cheesecake. Whatever it might be. You can even let me know in the comments once you've opened your eyes what your favorite cake is. And that is what you have to offer to people in network marketing. Your product is so delicious. Your company is so incredible. Your opportunity is so amazing. Just like this piece of cake that I've got in front of me right now. You put the fork or the spoon in it and the melted chocolate drizzles down and forms a puddle in the middle of the plate. But you know what you guys are doing? You're picking your nose and wiping it in the chocolate cake and then handing it over to someone. No one wants the chocolate cake with a picked nose and a load of bogeys in it. Sorry for going there. If any of you are eating whilst watching this, I apologize. Why are you doing that? You've got something so special. So you find, add, message people, you ask permission to get a commission, and then you introduce them to your product, your service, or your opportunity. Do not put your business and your progress on pause. This is the best time ever for you to learn a new skill. Up-level your skills in network marketing. Congratulations to every single one of you for being here right now, tuning into this summit and this online experience that Eric and Marina and the rest of the Network Marketing Pro team have put together. Please do me a huge favor. Please listen to everything Eric and Marina have got to tell you and the other speakers, because they're here for one reason, and that reason is to help you get the progression that you deserve in your life. Perfection is impossible. Progression is possible for everyone. If I've been able to do it, you'll be able to do it. Eric and Marina are going to teach you how to do that too. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you so much. And with that being said, I hope you guys are well, safe, stay blessed, and keep your sanity out there. Go grow. You've got this. Let's do network marketing. Let's go and do network marketing profession proud. See you soon. Bye-bye.